Sanbonan. So yeah, man, we lost because Chiefs won, and this Egyptian team. Two, I don't know, is it Al Masli or something else, really, or just like that. So yeah, I don't wanna lie, I'm so disappointed with like my results because I didn't expect to like will receive my results which are on the way available they are right now, even though like I believe it's like we didn't deserve, even though we level way available, but we didn't deserve to get to this result because always like we didn't dominate really match available overall, very didn't dominate the match that much because like it showed which okay we was playing against very team available, it's sister United, but they went on the ball much as like Besigulo Veletin, and yeah, man, Amakolaba Tolile, it was a penalty which could have been saved really because like Peterson actually went to the right side. But by really want to the power and the ball available. It was enough. And as you all know, as I always say, is that like our penalties they can go like 50-50 available, they can go everywhere available. There's a thing you're watching you can't do anything even like nefriend ngangena phakathi uthathe leli friend libeke goalkeeper available and then ukushoot ngamista ngakora anything can happen, it's just like 50-50 so like there's nothing much that you can do, you can't control it, and we unfortunately to actually receive that penalty. But yeah, man, it happened, and then the goal really available. Bascora and Alves. I know some of y'all will be blaming the one and only Miguel available Mbusu, and it is part of the game. It is not something normal, but it happens available sometimes. So yeah, man, it is kind of disappointing. Available, and I hope it's like the guy recovers, and I hope it's like not everybody will be going to like media blaming him and stuff. Or this is the place, this is the time actually available. They're gonna be needing us. But I don't mind the gunshots if Uzama gunshots. Or I mean the hood. This will be the time available. They'll be needing us more than ever. So yeah, man. Overall, it game available. Masakala would like start. Oh, damn, you see this gunshot. It's a Masakala available. When I looked at like starting 11, many people they will play me available, which white actually put it on actually to press available. And I kind of understand which like where the coaches came from with like the idea of actually putting their boy with starting lineup, but like it didn't do what he was supposed to do available. As all of us know that Ashito Perez is a player that has a pace and Joba Nento and the pace. I think we're trying to get to the available Guma counter attack, and it is a thing which we're playing against a team. As my friends, we don't even know it, but I believe the coaching staff available by labor reviewer, but analyze my games up when they saw which okay, but should have available such so. But what I was expecting to see from like actually to press, it didn't happen, right? It didn't happen, bro. So yeah, it didn't do that much for me, if I'm being honest. And any because like the first half, the whole first half, it didn't like have like a clear chance scoring opportunity available. Yo, you see this guy shot. We didn't have like a clear cut scoring opportunity because it was a thing which always were more on the ball available and we were controlling it. But when we were going forward, we went in getting inside the box, yabona ukuthi sithathe like ama-short, and which is why I be like most of the time you need midfielders like because I choose really take short, and the only person that actually does that is only Gosipile Ngcobo, but when they actually put it in. But Thabo Cele doesn't take that, and he's a player that is more better technical than Unyambose available, and Unyambose vele kuba ngathi vele uyasaba available. But today with him Unyambose, it was a thing Oxford, it was a thing which like he actually did a lot for us, if we're being honest. He actually did a lot for us. He gave us protection, and most of the time, these are the games where about Shanagu when you are playing against an opponent that is going to test us over the shine available, because it is a thing he's not required available to actually give those forward passes most of the time. He's not always required to go to like ibhola lihlezi likithi vele yabo, and it is a thing ukuthi my we are supposed to always like go attack and again yabo. It is a thing which will be tested, and he'll be there available to actually protect us, and he actually did a very beautiful this guy he actually did a very beautiful job available when it came to that. So yeah, I hope many of you all actually see very important available. Because like the thing also that's like when you're playing against these teams, well, they'll be aggressive, and as you all Mbonile ukuthi that is what actually happened, which is also why maybe they didn't even put vele umfundo Vilakazi even Arsenal level because we're going to play with like amount available players which are too aggressive available, and we're also going to play against like fans which which like it is actually hostile when you're playing end to end Egypt. So yeah, that was the thing available, but I couldn't actually pick up like how many players which I will say which yeah they actually did a great job that match. About it was the thing which I'm actually used to see. For example, like Undo because power Ikotar, it is a thing with him which like uzo-collecta vele amabhola yabo most of the time, uzo-collecta amabhola and make the team vele play vele yabo, and you wouldn't see him that much vele yabo ku-ninth area, and that was actually good from him vele. It is not a bad thing vele yabo. He was making the team play, which is something that we actually need. We need like a striker available which will be comfortable in the ball, and one thing about him is that he udlala ngo-right udlala vele nango-left yabo, so like he will give you a lot when it comes to that yabo. So yeah, he was actually doing that. And then Pule Modi, if I'm being honest, I didn't see much from him. Even like Arsenal available, I didn't see much, but like he kind of gave us there's something available. Which was the thing with Mr. Bonavilla runs like even so like oh, he was even giving like his space so good like across available make that run available, which is something that you don't usually see with like Omod. And then with Umfundo Vilakazi, it is the thing which when he actually came on, like most of the time the team very don't mind the gunshot. Most of the time available the team will play available for the videos and which was how he was the person very we even lead it up which like Solomon's available ended up getting very that goal available because it's a mangena the boy drifted on the space available, and then after drifting on the left hand side team, then he gave that pass available, which wasn't that accurate, but it was the best available to the figure. And then Solomon Z, it was a beautiful goal from him, making that run, cutting in the box available, and shooting, which is something that you be receiving from like a Cole Palmer and stuff available. So it was actually good, and it showed which like Solomon's actually had and hang available today, even though first half available, he was one of the person that was not available scoring opportunities. So it was good. And then with also like Mpundo Vele, it was the thing, which most of the time the boy becomes very predictable, available. He'll want with him to vang up a card available, certainly left. But the thing with him is that when you're expecting him to cross, he'll want to shoot. And he became selfish sometimes, but you need players manjalo available because we give a very threat. So yeah, overall it was a game be 50-50, and congratulations to the team available the winner. And yeah man, it is still a long way, but sazoza nabo kule settle ngapha. And yeah man of the match, I don't even know who to actually give the man of the match. I think who would I actually give? I think Tabakele actually had like a beautiful game. Nyambose, yeah, I think I'd give it like to Nyambos. Nyambos actually had a very beautiful game. So yeah, that was it from me and Tanda. Thank